Welcome to the video on ransomware, the digital hostage crisis. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and how to protect yourself. Unlike a simple virus that corrupts data or a burglar that steals it, ransomware kidnaps your data. It holds your files hostage until a ransom is paid. Attackers use strong encryption to turn your files into unreadable code. The only way to unlock them is with a decryption key, which they hold for ransom. The ransomware lifecycle involves 4 key steps: infection, scanning, encryption, and finally, the demand for ransom. Infection starts when an attacker finds an entry point. This is often through phishing emails, exploiting software bugs, or using weak passwords. Once inside, the malware hides and scans your network. Crucially, it often targets your backup drives first to maximize its leverage. After scanning, the malware locks your files. The attacker then demands money, usually with a countdown, before the opportunity to pay runs out. Ransomware thrives due to untraceable cryptocurrency payments and Ransomware-as-a-Service, which lowers the barrier for criminals to acquire and use malware. The most crucial rule is never pay the ransom. Paying encourages more attacks and does not guarantee the return of your data. Paying is risky. There's no guarantee you'll get the key, you become a double target, and you fund the criminal cycle, leading to more double extortion attempts. Attackers often steal your data before locking it. They use the threat of leaking your private information online as an additional means of extortion. Prevention is the only cure. Adopt the 3-2-1 backup rule: 3 copies of your data on 2 different media types, with 1 copy off-site or offline. You should segment your network to isolate devices like smart home tools from critical work computers. Also, disable automatic office macros to block a common entry method. Consider this scenario. Your computer is infected, your backup is old, and the ransom is small. Do you pay? This highlights why robust prevention is key. Maintaining backups is the most powerful defense, as it takes away the attacker's leverage. Next, we will discuss how to secure your passwords and authentication.